Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying app parity. Make sure Outlook and Teams are signed into the same Microsoft account, then enable the Teams add-in. Once done, grant calendar permissions so Outlook can show Teams meetings. Open Outlook, go to File Options Add-ins, and confirm Microsoft Teams meeting add-in is active. If it isn't, enable it and restart Outlook. This initial alignment prevents sync errors later and makes scheduling consistent across both apps, so your availability reflects correctly in meetings. You create the meeting directly in Outlook by composing a new calendar event and selecting Teams Meeting. That inserts the join link automatically. Then add attendees, a clear subject, and an agenda so people know why to join. Use the scheduling assistant to check overlaps and pick the best slot. Make sure the meeting options, like mute on entry or lobby settings, match your needs. Once invites are sent, Teams and Outlook will show the meeting. This dual visibility reduces missed invites and confusion. You can join the meeting from Outlook's calendar or from Teams. Always test audio and video a minute before start. If you need to change time or attendees, edit the event in Outlook. Updates propagate to Teams so everyone sees the change. If the Teams button or meeting link is missing, re-enable the add-in, clear the Outlook cache, or sign out and back into both apps. These steps usually restore sync. Keep your apps updated to reduce recurring issues and ensure stable calendar integration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.